Hi guys, this is gsnhome.com and I'm here with the unboxing of the Huawei Y7 Prime 2018. I know it's a mouthful, but we're dealing here with a handset that's basically a budget phone with some of the modern technologies that Huawei has to offer this year on mid-rangers and even flagships. No, there's no notch, luckily. So let's see what's happening here. The handset was unveiled this spring together with a P20 and P20 Pro, and here it is in beautiful blue. It's available in other colors like, for example, black or gold. It's priced below $200. In some areas you may even find it for $150 or $170. It's got a dual camera. It's got something that Huawei calls the FullView screen. It's a budget phone with a dual cam, 32 GB of storage and facial recognition. Now it's an unboxing, so let's see what's inside the box. So the Y7 Prime 2018 offers you this metal key used to access the slots. By the way, there are 3 slots here, 2 for the SIMs and 1 for the microSD, a bunch of manuals and a warranty. By the way, pretty thick manuals. Huawei isn't saving the planet anytime soon. And of course, we also have this small charger. Let's see if my eyes still help me. 1.5 volts. No, it's actually 5 volts and 1 ampere. That's what is written here. Output 5 volts, 1 ampere. But wait, there's more. We also find this cable. It's of the micro USB to full USB variety. No love for USB Type-C this time around. And also no headphones, plus no case, but this is the test version. The commercial version has both a case and headphones, so don't worry. Let's fire up the phone. Once again, the name is Huawei Y7 Prime 2018. It feels quite light for a 5.99-inch handset. It measures 7.8 millimeters in thickness. It weighs 155 grams, which is excellent for almost 6 inches. And it offers an IPS LCD panel with a HD Plus resolution, which is basically 1440 over 720. The processor is kind of familiar on the budget spectrum. It's the Snapdragon 430, which we saw last year on the Nokia 6. There are 3 GB of RAM here, 32 GB of storage, microSD card slot, 8 megapixel shooter at the front, facial recognition, and a dual back camera, a combo of 13 and 2 megapixels plus LED flash, and by the way, fingerprint scanner at the back below the camera. It's time for the setup. The software we're dealing with here is Android Oreo. Android Oreo with EMUI on top, EMUI 8.0. There's also 3000 mAh battery in the mix, 3 card slots, as I said before, and it also can do bokeh, portrait capture, using the back cameras. It's got the famous 18:9 aspect for the screen. I'm skipping some stuff here. No cloud. Face unlock is a thing, also fingerprint scanner. On paper, we're being promised 13 hours of video, which we may actually achieve if the optimization is good, courtesy of the CPU that has been included here. You don't see every day a Huawei phone that opts for a Snapdragon CPU, that's for sure. And by the way, quite a bit of bloatware pre-installed here. Be careful about that. So we have a test unit. Your unit may come with more than a few accessories, and as usual, we're going to have a quick glance at the camera user interface. Here we go. Feels like the Huawei P9 Lite or the P10 Lite. That's the vibe. And here we are. Now, this feature is the wide aperture. Okay, I expected it. And this here, it's supposed to be the beauty mode. Okay, now let's see other things. We have photo, video, HDR, panorama, filter, watermark, and more, which I guess can be downloaded as you progress. And here we have the resolution, GPS tag, assistive grid, mute, timer, audio control, capture smiles, ultra snapshot, and more. Okay, so we're getting accustomed to this phone. So far, I would say that the weight is incredible for an almost 6-inch handset. Only 155 grams, that's pretty light. Not very sure if it opts for glass and metal. It feels more like plastic, to be honest, but it looks quite nice. It looks a bit like a jawbreaker candy, if you really want a comparison. This is the Huawei Y7 Prime 2018, unboxed right here at gsnhome.com. It's a sub $200 phone, which has budget features, but the 3 GB of RAM are actually quite nice to have at such a price. We'll be back with a full review pretty soon. In the meantime, bye bye.